everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today is day 12 of Vlogmas. And also, I've got in my Jeffree Star Deluxe mystery box from Black Friday. It finally arrived. This was $100, but luckily I did Afterpay. So it's like $27 after tax, like every couple weeks. So yeah, this just came in yesterday. I had to go to the post office and pick it up today. This video is going to go really late because I had my niece's actual birthday party to do today. So yeah, I'm just fixing to open this up, as you can see, without me showing my whole address. Completely sealed up. So we're gonna go ahead and open this, and hopefully nothing's broken. Trusty pair of scissors. I've only noticed like maybe one person complained that, you know, the exclusive highlighter palette, but I think everybody's seen now because it's been going around Twitter, because it's been the past couple of days everybody's been getting their large boxes in. This is the only one I ordered. I did not order the medium size one, which was, I forgot, was it, no, it's not premium, was it? Whatever. And then the mini one. Excited. I did watch one unboxing, and I've seen it floating around what you could possibly get, so I'm excited about this box. And I love this box. It's going to be repurposed, and I have a niece who likes Jeffree Star too, and I'm going to like probably wrap her pajamas. If you don't know, I've been doing Vlogmas. I did show this. Like, I get them all my niece's nephew's pair of pajamas, a coffee cup, a gum box. Oh, hold on. Never mind. It's the wrong way. I always do that. A coffee cup, hot chocolate, and a couple of bags of popcorn. And that's like the Christmas, one of the Christmas gifts. You know, it's nice. Especially like when it's like Christmas Eve kind of. Anyway, so the first thing in here, and I did go up to a size large. I can wear a medium, just it was a little tight, like right across the chest, just a little bit. So I knew we were going to get some kind of clothing item. I was like, well, let me just go ahead and go for a large, just in case. And so this is what we got, which is cool. It is a hoodie. I would never order a hoodie because I ain't paying $45. My most expensive hoodie was probably an Alabama hoodie, and I think I paid $20 for a light one, maybe $25 to $30 for a bigger or a thicker one. And I said, I don't really wear hoodies. But this is pretty awesome. It looks big too. It might be a little bit bigger. So this is the ones he this is one of the ones he released for his 5th year anniversary. And it says, you know, 5-year anniversary Calabasas. Premium cosmetics company, Jeffree Star. I love this purple. I think everybody got the same one. I did not realize that it had the Jeffree Star logo all down both sleeves, and it is a good weight. It's like lined with fleece, so this is like a really warm hoodie. So it's cool. I'll be wearing that somewhere and get cat hair all over it that everybody can see. Next up is I got a candy cane straw. Mine's a little dinged up though, but it's fine. And this is one of the metal straws with a cleaner. And yeah, it looks nice. I don't know if I'll ever use it because anytime I don't use a straw at work. That's why I don't wear lipstick at work, because like I just drink out of my mug. I tried straw and I just didn't like it. And like all the, you know, the big cups that you take a drink around, like all mine have a, you know, reusable plastic straw, you know, one of those thick ones. It's cute though. Next up is I got the Velour Liquid Lipstick in Clout, which, do I have this one? I don't know if I have this one or not. I have a metallic purple. Actually, it might be this one. Hold on 1 second. I might actually have this color. Yep, I have Clout. So I will be passing that around to someone. But this is what it looks like. I already have it. I think I got it from a previous box. That one looks like. I guess I could swatch it for y'all. So I think it's pretty. It's very adventurous. It's very for a look or for Halloween. Almost fully opaque. And it's very like silver purple, which I love. Very for looks. I don't remember how I got it. So I will be passing the unused one along. I should shoot that. But this is Clout, so it's very pretty. I will wear crazy colors. Next up, ooh, okay. I got another Velour liquid lipstick. And this one is in Huntington Beach. Which, that was my mirror, sorry. Ooh, okay, shake it up a little bit. I don't remember this color. I know I don't have it. I like his Rainbow Equality set. It's not one of the blues in there. That one only has like one blue. Ooh, that is a gorgeous teal. Let me take this off. So Huntington Beach. Let's see what you look like on. That is actually really pretty. Great for a look. Can make your teeth look a little odd, but are great for liner. Like I would say use that for liner too. So I'm actually happy I got that color. That's a very gorgeous color. Okay, next up, there we go, is a Supreme Frost in Caramel Kiss. Which is good. I think I have, what is that? It's the purple shifty one. I can't remember. It's not the most wearable color. But yeah. Oh, but that for me is so super wearable. Caramel Kiss looks so pretty. Because what it looks like in pan looks like it might almost be too dark for me. At least right now. But like on. Oh my god. We could always use more highlight. Wow. Okay. I'll do that number. I have some from earlier today. Probably faded. Ooh. Wow. Okay. Not much is needed. There's some micro sheen glitter or microfine glitter in there, but that is so pretty. And we did get the stickers that I'm guessing the guy who did the designs for the palette was the one who did these. And these are actually pretty cute. It says, can't relate. Hi, how are ya? Beauty Killer. YSOTP. Someone explain that one to me. Jeffree Star approved. Blend Bitch. And Frosty and Blue Blooded and the Tea Sis. These are actually super cute. Now, will I use these for anything? No. So I will probably actually give these to my niece. And she'll probably put them on her laptop or phone or something. I just won't. I think they're cute. I don't mind them. But I'm not going to use them on anything. So, okay. Next one is, I already have to, I don't know if this is, I know what palette this is. And I'm right. Okay. This is going to be the Thirsty palette, but let's open that, make sure it didn't come damaged or whatnot. The only thing, I already have the Thirsty palette. I bought it when it launched. And it's a good palette. It's a good formula. I don't love it as much as this other ones because the metallics, you do have to be a little finicky. You have to wet your brush, glitter glue, things like that. And I mean, it's pretty. Okay, so a little bit of that shade got on the bottom, but it's not broken or anything. It's just kind of like, why is there a hunk of blue? I don't know. It's a very pretty palette. It's very summer, but you can go neutral with it. Just the metallic rose a little bit. Like, I think all of them have like glitter fallout pretty much. So, it's just what it is. So, oh, I like, there's colors everywhere. Like, it's just colors on this. But, it's a pretty palette, and I will be passing that along to somebody. I just already have it. The only two palettes I don't have of Jeffree Star's are the androgyny, like I saw that happen in some boxes. I would have loved that. So the androgyny and alien are the only 2 palettes I don't have of his. So and the reason why I went for the large, y'all know I never go for the biggest size. I always go for the medium or even the mini or medium and mini, is because I wanted this exclusive item when I'm really glad I did, because I thought he might want to fit it in all the palettes, but because of the backlash, he was like, never mind, it'll just be an exclusive item in the big one. So I took a chance that I would love this palette. So it's Peppermint Frost Skin Frost Pro Palette in the Igloo Gold. There's legit peppermint oil as like the 4th or 5th ingredient. That's interesting. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at that kitty cat. How cute is that? Okay. Mine didn't come broken. I did see one that was broken. So it's saying that this one has peppermint oil, the middle one. And that one doesn't. But that one smells like pepper. I swear I'm smelling peppermint in it. This product is versatile and can be used for face and body. Apply with a brush of your choice and let yourself shine. A little goes a long way. This product can be used wet or dry depending on your desired intensity. Oh, I love that packaging. It's like shimmery. Can you get it? So, apparently only the middle one's supposed to have peppermint oil, the Igloo Gold, but I'm smelling it. Maybe I smell it concentrated and just like leaked up everywhere. But these are really pretty because even this is not like a solid white. I wish I had a mirror. That's the only thing. It'd be nice to have a little mirror. But it's like more of like a champagne white, you know, pale champagne. And got a really good color. Even that color is really pretty. So he did make it pretty versatile. I was afraid, like when I saw the name, I said, oh my gosh, why should it be like pink or red? And like, because you know, he likes crazy highlighters and a pure white, which wouldn't work for me. Oh, okay. Ooh. All right, that is Ugly Sweater, which is that peppermint looking color. Ooh, okay, you kind of get a little hint of the red spot. Oh my gosh, that's stunning. Oh my gosh, okay. Now this is Igloo Gold. Wow. Okay, it looks almost, oh my gosh. Okay. Didn't go that heavy on that. Ooh. See, that red's actually almost making that one appear a little darker than that one. That's the Igloo Gold, which is funny. That red catches, like, almost makes it look darker. And this one's Chocolate Ice, which has like a swirl of white in it. So, ooh, that's pretty too. These are so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. If I had more face. Gosh, this is gorgeous. Love it. Okay, so what's this box worth? $100. Yeah, yeah, they usually are. I love this. This is gorgeous. So this definitely worth like, I don't know, $25, $30 at least. Yeah, it's gorgeous because all those tones will work for me. Even now when I'm going paler. These are gorgeous. I'm glad I got it for that. I took a chance because he didn't unveil it. But it's gorgeous. Alright. This Supreme Frost and Caramel Kiss is perfect for me. Like my skin tone now later because it's like swatch that a little lighter. This is perfect. This is a great color. Love it. Could have been a shade or two lighter too, and that would have worked fine. But I'm glad I got this one. The stickers are cool, and I will give them to my niece who will get a kick out of it. She's 17. She'll love these. Sad that I already had a clout color, you know. That's fine. You take a chance with the mystery box that you might get a color you've gotten before. At least it wasn't like last time I ordered the medium-sized boxes before Halloween, the one before the Halloween, and they were the same exact box. So at least it wasn't that. It was just that color. I'm loving this Huntington Beach color. Oh, it's actually really pretty. Don't know if I'll wear it outside the house as an eyeliner, yes. But yeah, it's gorgeous. For a look, definitely. For Halloween, definitely. And this is so nice. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize it says Iconic on the back. That's like in the lower right hand side, like on your back. That is so cute. This will fit too. I don't know how often I'll wear it, because I'll wear it once and it's gonna be covered in hair. So I got cat. I got 2 cats and one's just nothing but a shed machine, even though he's not even a long-haired cat and he just sheds. But I'm still happy to have this, so I like this. Yeah. So that was my mystery box. If you got something different, let me know. If you like my box, let me know that too. Oh, and the straw. Which, you know, if I was into metal straws ever, that'd be cool. I do love this though. This look. You know what? I might not even use it as a straw. Like, I got a vase of poinsettias and some spring and green stuff and some sparkly gold stuff, like on my table in the kitchen. I might just stick it in there as an added decoration. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas. And toodles!